Of course, creating art also has a significant positive effect on creativity. Creating art helps you relax, reduces stress, and improves critical thinking skills and concentration. While you might think that creating art means painting, drawing, or sculpting, you don't have to produce fine art to reap the benefits of creating. Creative hobbies of all kinds, coloring, knitting, quilting, photography, woodworking, gardening, and even do-it-yourself home repair also fit the bill. All of these activities require you to use and expand your imagination. If you currently don't engage in any creative pastimes, a simple way to start is with coloring. All you need is a blank drawing to color and a set of colored pencils, pens, or markers. You can buy coloring books of all genres or print free images at websites such as Super Coloring. When creating art or crafts, don't obsess over whether your creations are good. Keep in mind that it's the process of creating that's important, not the end result. 5. Learn a new language. If your native tongue is English, you may believe that there is little point in learning another language since English is spoken worldwide. And yet, there are many people who speak multiple languages, and it isn't always out of necessity. Learning another language expands your horizons and gives you a new way of seeing the world. It exposes you to new cultures and customs which can have a positive impact on your creativity. When learning a language, your way of thinking changes, allowing you to be more open to new ideas. Divergent thinking is a thought process used to generate creative ideas by exploring many possible solutions. Learning a foreign language has been found to enhance the 4 divergent thinking abilities: fluency, elaboration, originality, and flexibility. 6. Write anything. The act of recording your thoughts can significantly increase your creativity. Writing encourages you to think more deeply, and this generates novel ideas. Author Terry Tempest Williams worded it beautifully in Why We Write. I write to make peace with things I cannot control. I write to create a fabric in a world that often appears black and white. I write to discover. I write to uncover. I write to meet my ghosts. I write to begin a dialogue. I write to imagine things differently, and in imagining things differently, perhaps the world will change. It doesn't matter what you write. Any kind of writing can boost creativity. You can write for yourself, or write for others. A simple way to write for yourself is to adopt journaling as a daily habit. If you are comfortable sharing your writing with others, you can start a blog. 7. Play video games. Researchers at Michigan State University found a link between video game playing and greater creativity. When they examined nearly 500 preteens, they found that the kids who played more video games were also more creative when drawing pictures and writing stories.